one of the series of projects that we've been running in the last 10 years with our partners in Southeast Europe and now the Eastern Mediterranean, to be able to provide the infrastructure and digital services for particular scientific fields. In this case, this is life sciences and climatology and digital cultural heritage. But the point is that this infrastructure has been built over the last decade, and we're providing services to many different communities. And this is specifically in order to keep the people and the researchers up to date with the technologies, current technologies that are available, let's say, in the Western Europe or in the more developed countries, and to be able to provide the infrastructure and the services to the people who are doing the research or education fields, and to effectively cut the brain drain in these regions so that people don't have to immigrate and do their work, scientific work elsewhere. So this is really the strength of these kind of regional initiatives that we're running here. Specific services and specific technologies are not that important. What is important is the human capital which is being maintained in the region. Well, these are we're talking about hundreds of scientists using the actual infrastructure that is available and the services that are available. Yeah. So these particular scientific fields are very relevant, right? I mean, you understand that the climate change is something which is crucial to humankind nowadays. So this is the number one priority, I would say. Life sciences are very important in terms of the quality of life, prolonging the quality of life, and prolonging the duration of life and improving the quality of life. The digital cultural heritage is very important for this region, specifically for Eastern Mediterranean. So we have partners in Cyprus, in Egypt, in Israel, and Jordan. You know that this area is going through a horrible civil war currently, and it's very important to have the ability for preservation of digital cultural heritage digitally, in a digital form, in order to have the continuity. Yeah, so the question was how the scientists are benefiting from this infrastructure and why do they need the regional aspect. And the regional aspect is important because of the collaboration between the countries in the region. So it's very important that the countries which share the similar kind of, let's say, data sets in terms of cultural heritage or similar characteristics in terms of DNA can share this data amongst themselves. The second aspect is that the scientists from the region do not have an easy access to pan-European infrastructures which are available in big countries such as Germany or France or the UK and so on. So it's very important to be able to give access to these scientists so that they can actually learn how to use these technologies. So about the Institute of Physics in Belgrade, it's a very important partner for us strategically. Institute of Physics has been for a last decade very strongly involved in different computing activities and provision of different digital services to the wider community, not just physics community. And it has been our stable partner for a very long time, and we are cherishing this relationship and we're going to continue it.